Hello, my name is Akim Palmer. Today I'll be showing you Project Zero Part A in the CS50's Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. This is Degrees. Degrees uses a breadth first search algorithm to find the closest relationship between the two actors given. So within this project we had two databases, a small database and a large database of movie actors and the movies they played in. So first I'll do with the small data set, I'll run the program. Then I'll enter in the two actors that I want to use. It's going to be Tom Cruise and Tom Hanks. There we can see the 2 degrees of separation for Tom Cruise and Kevin Bacon starred in A Few Good Men. Kevin Bacon and Tom Cruise starred in Apollo 13. Next, I'll do the large data set. It'll take a little while to load. Okay, so here I'm going to use Brad Pitt, and Johnny Depp. Here we can see it's again a 2 degree separation with John Pitt and John starring Born After Reading, and John and Johnny Depp starring Libertine. Thank you for watching.